Where's she at?
Right here. She's at register 11. So she concealed some clothes into that bag. Now she's only scanning like the grocery stuff and like socks.
On 30. Did you allow this?
Yeah, she's not attempting to pay for the.
Yes, sir. We're already inside. Yes, sir. For ag assault, we have.
Watch her body language. She's waiting for the right moment to bolt, and when her card declines, that moment hits like a spark.
Where's she at right now?
Register 11.
Which is closer to this side or that side?
It's like right in this. It's closer to this side for sure. So her card's declining right now for these items. She might just try to walk out, maybe.
But she is.
Yeah. She's gonna be coming to the side. So the reason I'm stopping is
Get away from me!
9-3 Kentucky, sir. 565 supporting supervisor. And we got 153.
Come on. Roll over. You were just fighting me for your phone, so stop. Roll over. Check your eyes. Just turn them over. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
She by herself. She was by herself. She's following. What's her name?
Isabel.
Yeah, I got an arcane in my unit.
Isabel. Yeah, she's in there. There we go. Hey. Hey. Pick up.
She's down, but something's not right. The fight's gone out of her too fast, and officers sense it.
I can't feel anything on the other side. Want to roll her over? Yeah, she's gonna hurry. Oh yeah, here's she's coming back a little more.
I think it was. She's starting to get a little more responsive already.
This isn't just resistance anymore. Her breathing slows. Her limbs go limp. Somewhere in the chaos, her body starts.
I felt when she fell, so.
She did that last time.
Yeah.
This? Oh, you 15 before? No, Smith did. Is she faking it or what she was you?
Yeah. Because when we were getting her trained, she was fighting me for her phone, so I think she should.
Once you got handcuffs. Yeah, well, I saw her pulling, and then as soon as I walked up, then she's like, "Hey, Isabel, right? Isabel." And she's responding. She flinches when you do it.
Yeah, she's gonna keep her eyes closed.
Oh, there's like a chopper. Yeah, no.
Is is all sweat, so.
Oh, go figure. That was me, dude, on Friday night, dude. I got so sick, dude. I was puking everywhere, dude. I was like, oh.
Did you eat something?
Yeah, I think I got some bug or something, dude. I was all messed up. Stop, there's no need to kick.
Hospital you guys wanted to go to?
Whichever one you guys want her to go
And
to.
it'll be up to them. If you guys don't care, then we'll let them decide.
Yeah.
Front right point pocket.
So it sounds like they swallowed in here and swallowed.
She won't talk to us at all or anything like that. So. I mean, obviously a little batted.
I mean, she might be
This is the hospital's your
pulling,
choice.
trying to fake it too.
Yeah, because she
Whatever you want to put her on. I swear for now. She was still like
Yeah,
pulling up, and as soon as I got the handcuffs on, I looked down. She's like,
she did. Yeah, if they go up to hospital and her vitals are fine, they're probably gonna pick her. I hope
I was
so.
like, just in case it's not. Wouldn't let it touch you.
Not that I saw, but I felt at the same time she did.
Central 990. She's 76 to 809. Back up 737.
I'll just get photos of you real quick and then
This is Isabel. Isabel is.
she's about to get her footless, start kicking around again now.
Typhoid tackled her.
Try to take a seating route to get a little more info out of her.
Oh, nah, she won't. And then she started faking. So now we're at the hospital.
Hold on for the way out.
Nah. It's Isabel. The one that's always shoplifting from the Home Depot. Yeah. 11:43 should have came. Would have been a good one for him.
Nice.
Thanks, that'd be my first day on the fucking job.
Yeah, I think she swallowed more than she should have.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still unauthorized entry with intent to commit a theft.
Well, it says ER.
Four.
Because my thing says he's going to the ER.
Yeah, but it could fall under the other one, the dwelling or structure. I don't know, dude. I would say yes, but they know more than me.
I'm actually with that.
I don't know, man.
Damn.
But, alright.
They might call me.
I'm gonna be here for a bit, so.
I'm like Joel, but I'm not gonna let people throw up on me.
Nah, I'm good, bro. Hey. Bye.
So she was arrested at Walmart. PD found 3 pills on her. I don't know how many she ingested, but she's acting like she's not responding at all to us. PD did on scene.
She did one dose. She reacted. She kind of squinted her nose when I put it in her nose, but
She's only been vomiting. She vomited a couple times. She's been usually just kicking like that.
when she ran from us.
She's 100%. She's about 140 for the heart rate, so she could have swallowed something before. But no, just kidding.
Just kidding.
Oh boy. I'll take the report.
Okay.
Do you need vitals or anything?
I'm gonna hook her up right now. She's falling.
We'll grab the phone. Over there.
Sit up.
I'm gonna cover to the bed so you guys can sit up so I can cuff you to the bed. Or you can stay handcuffed behind your back.
It's just a clearance right now?
Yeah, just a clearance. She had a couple warrants.
Oh boy. Oh boy. What's going on here? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so
Mr. Ibarra?
yeah, so we had her for, she had some warrants and a shoplifting, and then she took off running, like from here to like the hand sanitizer.
So she's sitting at 49%. She's completely gorgeous.
Yeah, I have a tourniquet on her hand.
I think that
I have a tourniquet. Give me a second on that.
I know that. All I'm saying is that you should intubate this person. Yeah.
1 second.
All right. Can I call respiratory?
Yeah.
God damn.
That's fine.
Sorry, bro. What's up?
Yeah, so anyway,
Why does she look like that? Did you guys like shoot her?
as soon as the cuffs came on, she got like this. She was fighting. She was, yeah, there was. Yeah,
She fell?
No, well, the officer kind of like grabbed her and they fell together. I was right behind him. I didn't see her head hit.
Can I have respiratory in bed 11, please, in the ER?
Respiratory?
Or actually, sorry, can you connect me with respiratory, please? Why is she covered in shit?
She was thrown out.
What? Did she overdose tonight?
So we found 4 on her, but
Did you guys work
They gave her
together?
Narcan.
we gave her 1 dose of Narcan.
Well, how much did you give her?
Just the ones we kept, the little ones. Like,
Hey,
This is Miranda.
hey, we're gonna tube a patient in bed 11.
They gave her 4 milligrams IN.
What's that?
Okay, what room?
Oh, yeah, well, sorry. Come to room 4. Come to room 4. We're going to intubate a patient there. We're moving them from 11 to 4 now, okay?
Okay, I'll meet you there. Thank
you. Stinky, bro. Holy.
Yeah, so she was fighting us. We'll put the handcuffs on. The handcuffs came on, and then she got like this. And after a while of doing that, she started dry heaving.
And you gave her Narcan after this, or before she started fighting you? Like what happened?
After she started fighting us, we cuffed her.
Yeah,
She went unresponsive.
and then you gave
Gave her Narcan, and
no
then
change.
no change. After like 2-3 minutes, that's when she started dry heaving and threw up.
This is what the end looks like, not handcuffs or trial dates, but breathless silence and flashing hospital lights.